where you can't get what you want, but you can get me.